Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually whiten up your teeth, get a whiter teeth and also a fresher breath. Okay, now these ingredients are actually very natural and very simple. Okay, I'm very sure you're going to find them at the comfort of your home. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to be needing tomato for this teeth whitening remedy, and we're also going to be brushing out all of those brownish stuff on our teeth, and then remove tartar with this remedy, guys. All right, so I'm gonna be using a half cut of my tomato, and then I'm going to be using a grater to grate this. So I'm going to be grating it this way, and then it's going to be very smooth. It's going to be looking as if I blend it. Okay guys, so after that is done, we're going to be needing to use baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is an amazing ingredient that helps so much in whitening up the teeth. Although it's abrasive, but it is actually very ideal when it comes to removing those stains from your teeth. Now because of the abrasiveness, you don't have to use baking soda every day on your gum, okay? Otherwise it's going to irritate your gum, or it's going to wound your gum. Okay, so it is ideal you use baking soda just once or twice in a week. That way it will also be effective and it would whiten up your teeth, yet preventing the abrasiveness of the baking soda. So I'm going to be putting that in, and then we're going to be stirring that up. Alright guys, so the very next ingredients you're going to be needing is this, and this is toothpaste, and you're going to be needing this to freshen up your breath and also whiten up your teeth. Okay, but if you don't have Colgate guys, you can as well use any other white toothpaste. It mustn't be Colgate. Alright, so not promoting Colgate, it's just that it contains an ingredient that helps in making your teeth whiter. So after putting that in, we're going to be mixing it up this way. And after that is done, then we're going to be needing this. Now, have you actually tried using Coca-Cola in whitening up your teeth or lightening up your teeth before? Now this helps so much when it comes to whitening up your teeth. Now you'll need to try this, but when you're using this, you have to use it with baking soda. Okay, that is actually when you will see it's working, but you don't use it alone, it's going to stain your teeth. Yeah, so what you do is that you take just a little bit of that, and then you put it in there. Then you give it a stir. And that's it, guys. Let me show you how you're going to be using this. Okay guys, so what you do is that you grab a brush, okay, and then you take this paste. Now you use it to brush your teeth from up to down, that direction, that way, okay. Now for this particular teeth whitening and tartar removal is that you can actually use it at least 2 times in a week because of the tomato. Now the tomato has actually reduced the abrasiveness of the baking soda, and as such it's going to be minimized, and it's gonna be really great and amazing. Yeah, so what you do now is that you have to, you know, brush it in, you know, up and down direction, and then you brush your inner mouth this other side this way, and then you brush this other side also, you know, and then you now open up your tongue, and then you brush it. You brush everything, you brush it in a circular motion. You brush your tongue in a circular motion. That way you're actually removing all of the buildup of excess food. And when you're done brushing, guys, you'll have to cough like that. you know, you do your throat like that, so that there will be a possibility of tonsil stones coming out alongside with this, okay, because it will help those tonsil stones come out. Okay, now the tonsil stones are those stones that hide behind your throat, and it can sometimes make your breath really smelly, and it's also it actually make you really uncomfortable when you talk to people. Okay, it makes your tongue stay very dirty and all of that. So you brush it in circular motion, and then you immediately wash it off with water, or you can either use warm water to wash it off, and trust me, your teeth is going to stay white, and tartar is not going to locate your teeth. Dental plaque is going to be gone, but you have to brush every day for you to avoid buildup of plaque. Okay guys, so that's it. So go give this a go, you know, brush in an up and down direction just like I said, and this is actually going to be amazing. It's going to be superb. It's going to be so helpful, removing your bad breath, clearing up your dirty tongue, and removing dental plaque and tartar. So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.